Let us dive into the preparation of the versatile vegan butter, which is preservative-free, the almond butter. Please subscribe to this channel. It can be made two ways, either by directly grinding the raw almonds with any neutral oil or by roasting the almonds to bring out the essential oils in it. I prefer to roast the almonds as it releases the essential oils and this enhances its taste. You can roast it on a pan. You can also roast in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Do not cool the almonds completely, let it be warm but not hot. You can use a blender or even the chutney jar of the mixer grinder. First pulse it to break it down and then grind till you get the desired consistency. You can add a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and any neutral oil to enhance the taste, but all three are optional. Once done, store it in an airtight container and refrigerate it for a longer shelf life, as it may go rancid if kept outside. You can have it by applying on toast, adding it to oatmeal, using as a dip, and many more. Benefits of almond butter. It is rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamin E, magnesium, potassium, and calcium. It also contains antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. The healthy fats in almond butter can help lower LDL, that is bad cholesterol, and reducing the risk of heart disease. It is high in protein and fiber, which can help you feel full for longer and reduce cravings. This can aid in weight management and weight loss. It is a good source of magnesium and calcium, which are essential for strong bones. The antioxidants in almond butter may help protect against cancer by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Overall, almond butter can be a great addition to a healthy and balanced diet. Hello viewers, I will be very grateful if you subscribe to this channel and encourage me to do better. Thank you.